In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Qatar Airways flight upgraded with the newest updates. Maybe you're looking to enjoy a little extra comfort on your long haul journey, or maybe you're interested in the enhanced luxury that an upgraded seat can bring. No matter your reason, I've got you covered. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Qatar Airways official website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to QatarAirways.com. This is where you'll manage your booking and see if there are any available upgrades on your flight. Make sure you're on the right website as there are many travel sites out there, and we want to stay right here with Qatar Airways. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Manage or Check In. You'll usually find this at the top of the page. Click on it. This section of the website allows passengers to manage their flight details, including upgrading the class of service, if available. It's a handy tool for making any last minute changes and getting everything just how you like it before boarding. Next, you'll need to click on Booking Reference. This is a crucial step because this reference number, alongside your last name, will act as a key to unlock your reservation details. Now, you're going to provide your booking reference number. This is a unique alphanumeric code you received when you booked your flight. If you received your booking confirmation via email, you should find it there. Type that reference number in carefully to make sure it's entered correctly. Moving forward, click on the last name field, and as the name suggests, you'll need to type in your last name exactly as it appears on your reservation. Accuracy is key here for the system to match the details correctly and pull up your booking without any hitches. Then, once you've got your booking reference and last name entered correctly, click on the option that says Retrieve Booking. This is the moment where the system will pull up your flight details. If an upgrade is available, you should see an option to upgrade your class of service on this page. That's all there is to it. Keep in mind that upgrades might depend on a variety of factors such as seat availability, your membership status, or specific promotional offers at the time of your inquiry. So if you're eligible for an upgrade, the option will be right there amongst your booking details. With these steps, you're all set to elevate your flying experience. Traveling in style and comfort is something everyone deserves to experience. And by following this guide, you could find yourself moving from economy to business class in no time. Safe travels, and may your next Qatar Airways flight be a luxurious journey.